Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to make text appear in PowerPoint with a click. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. The easiest way to make text appear on a click is to add animation. Select the text and go to the Animations tab. Here we select any animation, and if you click on the arrow, the choice of animations becomes even wider. So the animation is selected, we press F5 and check the result. As you can see, the text with the answer appeared on a click. And if you need the rest of the text to appear on a click, then add animation just like in the first case. And the numbers that appear next to the left show the order in which each answer appears. We can easily change this order if we click the animation pane button and drag, for example, the first animation to the 5th place. And if you right-click on any of these animations, then we can easily delete it in the menu that opens. Press F5 again to check, and as you can see, each answer option appears only after clicking. And that's it. Now you know more.